welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video for you guys. It's a sort of decorate, craft with me type video, and the theme of this video is going to be a patriotic theme, and it's going to be a Canada Day theme. So I am collaborating with a number of YouTube women here, and we are all Canadian, and it was organized by Lisa from Lisa and Company here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below, as well as everybody else participating in this collaboration. We thought it would be fun to come together and share with you guys some things that we do to decorate for Canada Day. So it is July 1st is the official Canada Day, and we know that our friends to the south are decorating in Patriotic Decor as well. Their color scheme, or your color scheme if you're American watching this, is red, white, and blue, and ours is just red and white, just like our beautiful flags. So let's just hop right into the video. This is the area I am going to be decorating. This is a tiered tray that I always decorate for the different seasons. And it is just sitting here in my kitchen, just on this little dresser. And this is the item that I'm going to be giving a makeover to. So it is a vintage or antique almost, I'm not sure the age, but it's very old, a checkerboard or chessboard. And maybe checkers little pieces go here, I'm not sure. Anyway, it just came like this, and it is in very rough condition. It's got water damage and everything like that, but I like the way it looks. But I'm going to give it a bit of a makeover to for Canada Day. And I just bought this came with a lot of stuff that I had purchased at an online auction, and so I'm going to give it a little red makeover. And then I'm going to be using these items here. These are just items that I have thrifted or found at the dollar store. Just things that I thought would be good for Canada Day decor. Not necessarily, you know, screaming Canada Day, although I do have, you know, Canada Day, not Canada Day, but Canada postcards, and this is like Niagara Falls, and a map of Canada with Indigenous sort of art on it, and just things like that. But yeah, and then of course red Pyrex and the Canada flag and stuff like that. So I will be using these things either on the tiered tray or on the dresser alongside the tiered tray, just to make a little vignette. So let's get to some painting, shall we? Since we've been home on quarantine, my kids have used up a lot of my red paint that I thought I would have on hand. So I might have to just sort of make do by making it a little bit watery, and then making sort of more like a stain rather than paint, which I think actually might look quite nice. So let's just work with what we have and make do. Alright, I just went to the printer and printed off a maple leaf. So I'm just going to cut it out and use it as a stencil. You'll see all this stuff on here. That's because I'm recycling the kids' artwork. So I know it kind of looks messy, but it doesn't really matter because it's just a stencil. Alright, so there we are, all cut out. Like I said, I was going to use paint, but we're out. So I think I'm going to just use a red Sharpie marker because I do have one on hand. So I'm just going to trace around this and then fill it in. right, I finished it up with paint because it was taking too long with the Sharpie marker. I just sort of dug down deep in the paint bottle and painted up the leaf there. So let's get to decorating. All right, so I finished off the tiered tray, and here's the little sort of DIY I did. I had more things on here, you know, like tins and stuff like that, and although I love them, I just think this isn't the right spot for them. It looked a bit too cluttered. So I'll just take you guys through the tiered tray, and that will be that. So there you have it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go check out the other women who did this video as well, linked in the description box below. If you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, then please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!